Hello, Year 3.
So today, carrying on from yesterday's learning where we were working out the duration or something, which was how long it lasted, today we're going to be comparing the duration of an event. So here we've got some events that are happening, and over here we've got some space to find out how long each of them lasted. Okay, and then we're going to decide which one was the longest and the shortest. Okay, so when we're comparing, we're going to be finding out things like that. Okay, so the first one we're going to be finding out is meet the author. So here it says it starts at 09:06 and it finishes at 10. Now then, once again, you can use the number lines we used yesterday. You can draw your own clock and use that. Okay, or the easier one you could count on, couldn't you? So we're going to try and see if we can fit all this in. Okay, I think we can. So if it starts at 9:06, let's put our time on 9 and 6. Okay, so 9:06. Now remember, we want to be kind of rounding, don't we? Rounding up. We don't want to be counting individual minutes. That would be a bit silly and take too long. So I'm going to do a jump from the 06 to the 10. Okay, so that is 4 minutes. So what I might write down now, or try and remember in my head, is 4 minutes. Okay, there we go. That's what we're out of, isn't it? And then I'm going to count up in my fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So it's taken me 50 minutes to get around from here. So I would then do 50 plus 4. So my duration is 54 minutes. Okay, so that's the duration of the first one. I want you to pause the video now, and whether you're going to do it on a clock or your timeline, I want you to try and work out the duration of Songs and Stories and the Poetry Workshop. And then when you're ready, you can press play and we'll go over the answers. Okay, so press pause. Okay, so I'm hoping that you've had a go and you've tried to work them out on your own. So next we're going to do Songs and Stories, which starts at 11:35. Okay, so our hand's on 11, but then it goes to 35, so it'll be kind of in between the 11 and 12. So 11:35, and it finishes at 12:20. Okay, so this one's a bit different. It goes into a new hour. So the first thing we're going to do is going to go to our 12 o'clock. So luckily we're already on the 5, so we can count in 5s, can't we? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. It's taken us 25 minutes to get to 12 o'clock. Okay, so I'm going to write down my 25 minutes to make sure I remember. And then I can either count on again in 5s, or I can just carry on counting. So 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so that one has taken 45 minutes. I hope that's what you worked out, whether it was on a number line or whatever it was. Okay, and the next one is the Poetry Workshop. Now then, what you could have done for this one is, you could have, and it's at 13:40. Remember, this is a 24-hour clock. So 13:40 is the same as, I'm hoping you're shouting at me, 1:40 p.m. Okay, 1:40 p.m. So we could count all the way around in our 5s. But remember, if it starts at 40 and ends in 40, it's got to be at least a whole hour, hasn't it? Okay, and 13 to 14 is 1. So we know that it lasts for 1 whole hour. But just to prove it to you, let's count. So that's 1:40. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, and there's 60 minutes in an hour, isn't there? So we know that that one is 60 minutes. Or you might write 1 hour. Okay, good job.